Today is our topic how to earn from TikTok. How to earn from TikTok and how many followers you need. TikTok is offering several programs in this regard like revenue and sharing program subscription future for streamers virtual gift product and other. The number of followers and videos or each program is different. TikTok Creator Fund. For this, the minimum age of user must be 18 years old, and the conditions such as 10,000 follower, at least 100 views on videos during the last 13 days must be fulfilled. Ad revenue sharing program or TikTok Plus, minimum age of 18 years old and 100,000 followers is required for this, as well as posting at least 5 video in the last 13 days. Subscription revenue from TikTok Live, 18 years old of age, minimum 1,000 followers are mandatory requirement for this. Virtual gift in the live streaming, minimum age of 18 years old and 1,000 follower must be fulfilled for this too. Getting gift on other video, minimum age for this program is 18 years old and number of follower must be 10,000. Tips on video, this require 18 years old age and 100,000 followers needed. Program for videos longer than 1 minute, this program require minimum 1,000 10,000 follower and 100,000 views in the last 13 days. But to join this program is called creative program of TikTok, but it will not possible to a part of this creator fund. Affect creator program, this program is currently available in the US, France, UK, Italy and Germany, but minimum age to join this program is 18 years old.